are pleased to show you the 2017 Audi Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, security system, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, tachometer, power moonroof, leather seats, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.